my apartment. It's looking pretty messy right now. I know, it's gross.
I'm actually having a lot of elbow pain. It's hot in here. Oh my goodness.
All right, guys, welcome back to Med School Mike. This is my Adams 2 group, our study group and post-clinic group. We,
Oh wait. Oh my god, are we in a vlog?
Yeah.
2021 Mike.
On our vlog. There she is, Sonia.
Wait, is this Med School Mike?
That's right. This is Med School Mike. Tune in for amazing adventures with me and all my friends here. And I'm really excited. I'm really excited to have another 4 years, at least 2 years with you guys. And we're just going to go to work and we're going to grind really hard.
That'd be great.
All right, 4 years later.
Nah, we not grinding.
That's K-Chev. He's my man. He's the boy. All right, we're out. Today is my white coat ceremony. So far it's going really well. We just took our group photo and we also did our main class photo as well. And next up, we're gonna go on stage and get these white coats right here. Michael Kaminsky.
I recognize that the study of medicine is a lifelong responsibility. I pledge to continue to educate myself throughout my career.
I'm getting ready to go to SimLab. First, I'm going to try to meet up with my big sibling. We've been kind of talking and he's been helping me out, figuring out exactly what I need to do, and he's just giving me a lot of advice. So I'll just take like a whole chicken breast that I cooked and throw it in the blender with some chicken broth, bone broth, low salt. I just fill the rest up with some water. This is my apartment. It's looking pretty messy right now because we got some boxes to throw out. And I have a gross anatomy lab, so I'll be doing some dissecting maybe a little bit. He made me preheated meals. Might have to bring some chips too because, man, I get so embarrassed when my stomach starts grumbling in class. Screw the diet. Drinking my chicken shake. I know it's gross. It tastes just like chicken. It's the same thing. These are my 3 things I use. These are my 3 tools. I got 2 laptops, old one and a newer one. And I bought this iPad thing. Honestly, right now, I feel like 50% of my time is just spent figuring out how to try to use these things. A whole bunch of crumbs in my book bag. Got up this morning, I hit the snooze probably for, another half hour. Got ready pretty quick, went over some material, quick review before my post-clinic group.
What are we doing?
We are going to celebrate your birthday at a fancy schmancy restaurant that I booked reservations at. And it's gonna be a really nice day and evening out together. Then it's back to the grind of medical school. I got some homework I have to do. I'm gonna put together like a little script that I can practice just so I can get down how to interview a patient to get the appropriate information that I need to treat them. Hi, Mrs. Dotson, how are you today? My name's Michael. I'm gonna be your physician today. It's gonna be taking care of any problems or issues that you may have. Good morning, Mrs. Dotson. My name is Dr. Michael, and Good morning, Mrs. Dotson. My name is Dr. Michael. Good morning, Mrs. Dotson. So then I would obtain my list of issues, use body language, like leaning in, not too far. Another thing is kind of open-ended questions or sounds like, oh, your elbow's in a lot of pain? I got to get my schedule down. I got to put in exactly when I can go to the gym because I've been getting it in, but not like I should be. And I have a lot of studying to do too. What kind of work do you do? It makes sense that you feel that way. I'm trying to get a socio context to how she's living her life. Well, I'm here to support you, Mrs. Dodson. It's hot in here. My goodness. Okay. don't complain. Can't complain. Good morning, Mrs. Dotson. My name is Dr. Michael, and I am the physician and a part of your medical team that will be taking care of you today. Just to make sure you're properly informed, everything that occurs between you and I is going to be confidential and kept private. So, if you're ready to go forward, I'd like to ask you a few questions as to what brings you in today. Yes, I'm ready to go forward. Okay. Wow, Miss Dotson, that voice. And if there are any other issues that you'd like to talk about.
I'm actually having a lot of elbow pain. I can't go to work.
Elbow pain? I just want to tell you that we're going to work together and we're going to see what we can do to improve your current situation. And I won't do that. I'm a roll of that. That was literally like the first time I've done that. I just wanted to give a big thank you to everybody that subscribed and everybody that's kind of following along with me on this journey as I learn to become a physician. Definitely studying my life away every day. This is a Pathoma. Yeah, it's become my new best friend. But hit that subscribe button if you haven't, hit that like button, and join me on some more adventures. And I'll see you next time.